Happy New Year, everyone! Indeed, 2022 is a good start for all of us and especially for me. Bakit po? Kasi we are now officially partner of YouTube. Yay! Mamumoni na tayo, dollars! Yes po mga Canada Share, official partner na po tayo ni YouTube and I got monetized in just less than 24 hours. Wow! Yes, 24 hours. Actually po, I just want to make it faster na mamamonetize ni YouTube kasi sino po naman ang hindi gusto na mamamoni in just a click of a second or in just a day. But I try to watch more of the videos from the small YouTubers on how to get monetized easily using the tricks and so on. But mind you, my dear Canada Share, mas mabilis si YouTube. YouTube is faster than those tricks as long as the contents of your videos are not against with the community guidelines of the YouTube. And I believe in the saying that patience is a virtue, waiting takes time. So we need to wait. I actually uploaded my first ever video way back May 2020 as part of my requirement in the Southeast Asian Ministers of Organization, wherein I need to upload my demo teaching. So that was my first ever video. And so from the time as the time went by, I decided, or somebody encouraged me to continue my channel since I got more views. And so what I did was I made evergreen contents, those contents that are helpful, that are educational content, tutorial contents. And luckily I got monetized. I passed all the requirements of YouTube in more than a year. Yeah, it takes time. It takes time really to get monetized with YouTube. But if you have a viral videos or those videos that are very rare, funny videos and so on, I guess those kind of videos can be monetized easily. January 1, 2022 at around 7 o'clock in the evening, I was confirmed by YouTube channel that I am now eligible to apply for the partnership. Wow. So as what you can see on the screen, there are 4 features. I guess these 4 features are new features in YouTube. The first feature there is the subscribers. Next is the 2-step verification. We have the watch hours and we have the community guideline strikes. So I met the number of subscribers, 1,160 subscribers, wherein YouTube only required 1,000 subscribers, and I also finished the 2-step verification, and I have a 0 community guideline strikes, and the difficult one, the hardest one to achieve is the 4,000 watch hours. That is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. 240,000 minutes for 4,000 hours. Imagine that in just the first day of January, the first day of the year 2022, I got a good news from YouTube, and so I applied. So there are 3 steps in order to apply for the partnership in YouTube with YouTube. I mean, the first step is to review the partnership program terms. The second one is to sign up for Google AdSense, and the last one is to get reviewed by YouTube team. The first step is to check or to accept the partnership program of YouTube terms. You need to accept all of these because this is one way for us to get monetized easily. And of course, ano ba namang hindi gusto na magkakaroon ng dollars or magkakaroon ng income every month kahit maliit lang yun. O, diba? The step 2 is to sign up with Google AdSense. In this step, I was confused because there are 2 options. being asked by the Google AdSense there. The first option is the data share account. The other one is to create a payment account. I was hesitant because from other YouTubers, as I watched their videos, their tutorial, they have only they have only one option there, and that is to create a payment account, in which from my part there are two, and so it took me 4 hours to decide on what to do. So I decided to create another account. But according to one of my friends, who is also a YouTuber, she told me that it's okay to continue with the data share because that's already your account. But then it's still okay to use to create another account. And so I waited another 9 hours, 6 to 9 hours, I guess. 4 o'clock in the morning, January 2. I was my step 2 was done already, and I got successfully renewed my account, my account in Google AdSense. And here we go in step 3. In step 3, that is get reviewed by the YouTube team. And so in this time, I really wanted to make it faster, to get monetized easily, but the options there, the note there, the reminder there from YouTube is it would take days, weeks, and even a month to be monetized. To be monetized by the YouTube team because of certain situations that we are facing right now. But happily and I'm so happy because January 3 at around 9:38 in the evening, I was surprised when I opened my YouTube studio that I have already the dollar sign there. The color is green, and it gives me a goosebumps because I have seen that I've been monetized by the YouTube partner, and so I decided now. So I tried I checked all the requirements there, and I checked all the videos to be monetized, and so on and so forth. And because I have seen many dollar signs there, the green signs there in my dashboard, in my contents, I easily wanted to know if there are ads on my videos. So I scrolled down and watched some of the videos, and yes, it really works. It has lots of videos, and because of you, mga Canada Share, I've reached this milestone. Thank you so much, especially to our Godfather who blessed me and the very first day of the year 2022, and I hope and pray that we will be together for the many years to come, and to bless more, to share more learning and educational contents and tutorial contents. Let's go together, let's grow together. If meron po kayong mga katanungan or questions regarding my sharing today, this time, feel free to comment below on, just like for example, if you want to have more of the explanations on the requirements of YouTube, on how I applied, how I passed it, and how I reach the requirements easily, you can drop your comment below and I'll make it a tutorial next time. Thank you, mga Canada Share, and so glad to have been part of your life's journey. Thank you, and God bless everyone.